Hey quiz lover! Welcome back to QuizHare for another exciting challenge. Today, we are shifting gears and diving deep into the world of car logos. Think you've got what it takes to identify all these iconic emblems? Let's find out. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational quizzes. Ready? Let's jump right in. Which brand uses 3 overlapping ellipses? Toyota. Identify the brand with a prancing horse on a yellow shield. Ferrari. Which American brand features a blue oval with script text? Ford. Identify the German brand with a blue and white propeller pattern. BMW. Guess this stylized H logo inside a rectangle. Honda. Which brand uses a golden bow tie emblem? Chevrolet. Identify the logo with a 3-pointed star in a circle. Mercedes-Benz. Which logo consists of 4 interlocking silver rings? Audi. Identify the brand with a V over a W in a circle. Volkswagen. Which Japanese brand uses a silver circle crossed by a bar? Nissan. Identify the crest featuring a black horse and the word Stuttgart. Porsche. Which logo is a stylized slanted H inside an oval? Hyundai. Identify the logo with the letters KN in a modern font. Kia. Which brand features a cluster of 6 stars? Subaru. Identify the brand with a flying M or wing shape in an oval. Mazda. Which luxury brand uses a stylized L inside a circle? Lexus. Identify the logo with the ancient chemical symbol for iron. Volvo. Which brand features a leaping wildcat? Jaguar. Identify the green oval logo with gold lettering. Land Rover. Which American luxury brand uses a colorful crest logo? Cadillac. Identify the T-shaped logo representing an electric motor. Tesla. Which brand simply uses the text Jeep as its logo? Jeep. Identify the brand using 2 red stripes or a text logo. Dodge. Which logo features a winged badge with the name in blue? Chrysler. Identify the logo with 3 red diamonds forming a triangle. Mitsubishi. Which French brand features a silver lion standing up? Peugeot. Identify the yellow diamond-shaped logo. Renault. Which logo consists of 2 inverted silver chevrons? Citroën. Identify the red circular logo with silver text. Fiat. Alfa Romeo. Identify the logo with a silver trident. Maserati. Which brand uses a golden charging bull on a black shield? Lamborghini. Identify the logo with a winged bee inside a flat oval. Bentley. Rolls-Royce. Identify the brand with green wings and the name in a rectangle. Aston Martin. Which logo features the brand name inside a winged circle? Mini. Identify the simple red S logo. Suzuki. Which brand uses 3 shields arranged diagonally? Buick. Identify the logo, which is a simple silver vertical rectangle. Lincoln. Which brand uses a stylized A resembling a T caliper? Acura. Identify the logo representing a road disappearing into the horizon. Infiniti. Which logo is the red bold letters GMC? GMC. Identify the brand featuring a ram's head logo. Ram. Which luxury brand uses a winged crest with a G center? Genesis. Identify the logo with a winged arrow in green and white. Skoda. Which Spanish brand uses a stylized silver S? Seat. Identify the logo featuring a red griffin with a crown. Saab. Which brand uses a red oval with the letters EB? Bugatti. Lotus. Which brand uses the bold text Hummer? Hummer. Leave your score in the comments and smash the subscribe button for more fun quizzes.